Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we're on another adventure. I'm not really sure where I'm gonna head to, but I just hopped into the Subaru. It's a beautiful day. Thought I'll take a cruise. Um, if we see anything exciting, we'll make sure to turn on the camera. So stay tuned. Okay, so we ended up at Island Lake. Not sure if that lake is frozen, but we're gonna go ahead and take a walk and see if it's frozen. As we get the bulletin board, let's see where we at right here. It says you are here. I usually going from this side. Oh, it's from here, I think. From the main access, but this is the side access. All right. Things are looking nice. It's not that cold today. -1. Oh, look. Washroom's open. That's for the first. COVID closed off everything. Oh, look. You even get. Look how nice they are. You could even get a tire pump right there. Courtesy of Cycling Elements. All right. But the blue sky is going. Oh, there's people ice fishing already. Right on. How do we get there? That's a good sign. I didn't think anybody was gonna be here. All right, let's figure out a way to maybe get on the lake. And maybe we could pop a tent and dig a hole and maybe ice fish ourselves, right? Might as well. There's some people already out there. Oh, that guy just brought down his tent. Probably didn't catch nothing. I guess this is the entrance. Not bad. Let's see, hopefully we don't slip. Okay. How the heck did these people go through here? Maybe they walk through here too. Danger. No lake access from this location. Everybody been walking through here. Everyone is walking through here. I'm guessing the lake is frozen. Well, I'm gonna walk on it and let's see if we can find a spot to fish. Look at that, I just glimpsed up at this tree right here. That's the first tree. Look at that. Someone already has a camera on there. I guess they're checking if there's deers that walk past by here. Look at that. The forest right there too. Well then. Not sure how safe that thing is there. But well, it's tied around the tree. Alright, I made it back on the ice with all this stuff in my hand. I forgot to bring my thing at the back so I could pull it out, but I'm gonna try to find a spot. On my back. I don't know where I'm gonna go. Let's see where I'm gonna head up to. Should we go to the left or should we go to the right? Maybe we'll end up going to the right. We'll see how that goes. Alright, I think I found a spot. I got all my gear over here, my auger and my fishing rod and stuff like that. Excuse the wind, it's a little windy out here. But there's a dam at the end of that right there. It's a dam right there. A little bridge that we cross by. So got the neighbor right here. I think this is a good spot. So I'm gonna set up my tent. I think it's the Frabill HQ100. I made a unboxing video on this one. If you want to check that out, you can take a look at my previous videos. And let's set this up for the first time and let's see how that goes. It's getting a little windy. It's getting a little cloudy on that side. People are skating over there. But let's go ahead and set this tent up and let's try some fishing. Hopefully we get lucky. Alright guys, we set up the tent. As you can see, this is what it looks like. I gotta put it down 2 more pegs down. But Frabill tent looked like so. I'm gonna go ahead and go inside. Let's take a look inside. Guess that's your entrance right here. So you can see. It's not too dark. That's how it looks like. It has 2 entrances. There's one right across, as you can see. Yeah, the wind is picking up from every other side. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna secure this thing down and then we'll come in here and try to fish a little bit. Alright, we got the tent up. It's too small for me to be able to show it off like this. As you can see, probably a one-man tent. It's on the box, it says 2 to 3 people. I don't know how 3 people could sit in here. I'm one person and there's no other, like, you can't even put a chair, to be honest, beside you. So this one, the Frabill tent, I'd say one person can be comfortable just sitting down. You could lay down maybe in a long way, like this way from here to this edge. But that's the view outside. Now we're gonna go ahead and try this new auger I have. Forgot the name of it, but there's a video on this one of an unboxing of it. I'm gonna try to make a hole right here, and then if anything, look at these guys outside enjoying the day. So let's go ahead, let's try and give this auger a try. can't do shit with one hand. Got brand new blades. So let's go ahead and give it a try. Give it a whirl. So all you gotta do is just stick it into the ground like so. And we'll just keep it going. Just another day in the neighborhood. Yeah, I got some ice fishing going on. Water's freezing again. Still on another lake. Sun is shining. Beautiful. Now we just gotta catch a big fish. Alright guys. Seems like it's a slow day today. Maybe I need to get some live bait or something. But oh, here we go. I guess we're getting stuck on some weeds. Some weeds in there. Where's the camera? I'm using this jig. In the summertime I have wonders with this one. I catch so much bass. They love that jig. But here we go. Let's see what we're gonna get. The water's freezing again. Okay, we're good. Let me show you guys what's going on. I definitely need to invest in a buddy heater or some sort of something like that, because this type of material is not insulated, so for long periods of time you're definitely gonna get cold, and I gotta invest in some mats, the whole process, you know what I mean? You want to be comfortable when you're out here in the middle of basically nowhere and you're trying to catch some fish for a long time. You go outside. But yeah, we're gonna keep it going maybe for another hour. See if we'll catch anything. If not, I'll probably come back again, to be honest. I'm gonna go more deep into the river, the middle of the lake, which is on this side. I'm gonna show you guys. Aha, there be light. So I gotta go more deep into the lake, because I think I'm a little too close to the shore. It's not going too deep, but this was a trial to see this tent. So here you go. Look at the tent, guys. Definitely won't fit. You could fit 2 people in here, but you're gonna be close to each other, and like it's not gonna be that comfortable, to be honest. So if you're planning on going with a group, put some money together, invest. It'll be worth it. But if you're by yourself, then this is a perfect tent to be in, because it's small, compact. You could carry it if you need to, and you could go walk around wherever you need to walk around. And you definitely need to invest in a sled. I walked with all these in my hand today. All this stuff wasn't that bad. That's why I stayed a little close to the shoreline. But yeah, we'll do that next time. So we're just gonna keep fishing. Hopefully we'll catch something so I can show you guys something. If not, I'm gonna try again. Maybe Friday I'll come back again and go into the middle of the lake and have better bait. Maybe minnows, live minnows might do the job. And maybe we'll catch some bass or pike. Or we'll find out. If we catch something, we'll find out what's in this lake. Yeah. Alright, I think I'm gonna call it a day. I've been here for a couple of hours. No catch, unfortunately. It's sad, but that's how it goes sometimes. Some days you get really lucky, some days you don't. Alright. So there you have guys. This is the tent. Frable tent. 1 to 3 person tent. In my opinion, it is a 2-person tent. So I think that's the way it goes. So I'm gonna tie this up again, and then I'm just gonna go and start cooking. Since I didn't catch nothing, so I'm gonna go make my own food, and I'll show you guys what I'm making once I get to the car. So take this thing down. It's very simple. It's just a push and pull kind of system. So if you want it to go back down, or if you want to bring it up, you just pull all the edges that they have, like these ones. Pop, pop. It comes on. There you go. It's gonna fly away. It's getting really windy out here, so I'm just gonna pop this thing back in, and let's go cook. Stay tuned. All right, I made it back to the vehicle. Finally, it was a mission and a half trying to get all these things and carrying them across that lake, but we're finally here. We didn't catch anything, so we're gonna cook up something. Okay, I'm gonna make my famous mushroom soup, sidekick soup, I guess it's called. All you need is a pan. It's very quick. Pan, can opener, water, spoon, Campbell's soup, and a sidekick. Let's get to it. Simple. Look at all that goodness in there. Yeah, that's looking delish now. I got our creamy mushroom pasta thing going on. I'll come up with a name for this one. This is what I usually eat when I'm out on little adventures like this. Quick meal. Can't go wrong. Yummy. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna call it a day. Let's call it a video. Was alright, not bad. Beautiful day. Started getting a little chilly after, but we set up the tent. We did some ice fishing. We didn't catch nothing again, unfortunately, but hey, it was beautiful. Any day outside is a good day. My soup is almost ready. I'm just gonna eat that, watch the sunset, and then yeah, make my way home and relax. Thanks again for watching. If you like these kind of videos, feel free to watch any other videos that you see on the channel. Thumbs up, subscribe, comment, leave your feedback, and we'll see you next time. Peace.